Today I found this. Somebody was throwing it away. It's a Craftsman 2000 PSI pressure washer, quick start, which means what? Pump technology, operating, squeeze. Does it have oil in it? Let's see. Yeah, it's got some oil. So oil's in it. Only thing, I don't have fuel here. Let's just see, do we have fuel? We have fuel. Just curious if this thing's gonna run. See what I might have to do to fix this thing up and have a pressure washer. Yep. I may not be getting air. Turtle, slow, stop. So there's the primer. Is that my choke also? I think that would be my choke, my air filter. Oh, let's open this up. I think the air filter's soaked. So I know kind of a direction to head in with this thing. Oh, look at that. This looks like it's a little broken. It's putting tension on, but we're not moving anything. It's all wet in here. Ooh, all wet in here. Okay, makes sense why I have zero compression. And also, my linkage is no good here. Somebody did a little something here. Moving this isn't really doing anything on driving. Let's see. That would be stop. If I'm not getting air. I got fuel. Check on the plug. Flooded. Yeah, it's flooded in there. It's the plug I need. It's gonna fail its compression test, so for now I'm gonna let it be, and I have to come back to this. This air filter has to go. Saturated. I need to get a bag for that. Yeah. I have more time, I'll come back and play with this.